Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. So in today's video, we'll be learning how to drive a manual transmission car. So if you guys are just learning how to drive a car, this video might be for you. So before starting the car, at first let's learn the basic components of manual transmission car. So guys, there are three pedals in a manual transmission car. The first one is the accelerator, the second one is the brake, and third one is the clutch. You always operate brake and accelerator with your right foot and clutch by your left foot. And when you are not using the clutch, always rest your left foot on this lead pedal here. So let's learn the function of these three pedals here. The first one is the accelerator. So if you want to increase the speed of your car, you press the accelerator. And the second one is the brake. If you want to slow down your car, you press the brake. And the third one is the clutch. Basically, when you are pressing the clutch, means you are disconnecting your car's engine with the wheels, and when you are releasing the clutch, means you are connecting the engine and the wheel. Another important part of the manual car is the gear stick. And before starting the car, make sure that always your car is in neutral. When your car is in neutral, you can push the gear lever to the left and right freely, and which is indicated by this center line here. To engage the car into first gear, you push the gear lever to the left and to the front, and now the car is in first gear. Always use first gear to move your car forward. And if you guys want to learn how to properly shift the gears in a manual car, you can click on the I button above and watch that video. And another important part is the handbrake, which is also called e-brake. To engage the handbrake, you simply pull the handbrake up, and to disengage the handbrake, you press the button and release the handbrake. Before starting the car, adjust your seat in a comfortable position. When you feel comfortable, don't forget to wear your seat belt. And before starting, make sure that your car is in neutral. Press the clutch, start the car. Since my handbrake is engaged, I can release my foot from the brake pedal and put your car in first gear. Rev your car to around 2000 rpm and slowly release the clutch. When you notice your car wants to move forward, which is called the biting point, you disengage your handbrake and slowly release the clutch. Gently press the accelerator and your car will move smoothly. So to put your car into second gear, press the clutch, release the accelerator, put your car in second gear, slowly release the clutch, gently press the accelerator, and now the car is in second gear. So guys, I will show you once again. Put your car in neutral, engage your handbrake. After your handbrake is engaged, you can release your foot from the brake pedal, press the clutch, put your car in first gear, and rev your car to around 2000 rpm. And when you feel the biting point of the clutch, slowly release the clutch. When you feel the biting point of the clutch, you engage your handbrake and slowly release the clutch. As you gain momentum, to shift into second, you release your foot from the accelerator, press the clutch, put your car in second gear, slowly release the clutch, gently press the accelerator. So guys, this is how you drive a manual car. If you guys learned something from this video, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Always wear seatbelt while driving. Take care.